Has your instructor asked you to find peer-reviewed articles for a research paper? Confused about how to find that? In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily narrow down your search results to make sure that you are accessing peer-reviewed journals. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your search in the top search bar. For this, we might use Catholic education. Now, there are a few ways to go about it, and the first way I'm going to show you is the easiest. So what you'll do, instead of clicking enter or search right away, is to use this button at the bottom. This also functions as a quick search, but it takes you directly to articles. Once you've done your search, you'll find that all of the results show up as an article. And then all you need to do is use the left-hand side availability to check off peer-reviewed journals. Now that you've done that, you'll see that anything that's a peer-reviewed article will show up with this little purple peer-reviewed icon. Regardless of whether you use peer review as a filter, it'll always show you if it's peer-reviewed with this little purple icon, regardless. So I'm going to start a new search and do a different way. For this, I'm going to use Shakespeare. If I click enter, it's going to give me all the results for Shakespeare because I have it set to all. Now, if you just click peer-reviewed journals, you might get a mixture of articles that are featured in that journal or the journal itself. This is a really good example of that because the first one that comes up is showing me an article. You'll see it's at the top, it says article. But right below it, you'll see that it's actually a journal. So the journal itself is peer-reviewed, and all of the articles featured within it would also be peer-reviewed. But for the purposes of your assignment, you're going to be wanting the articles. So if you do a search for all, go to the filters and do peer-reviewed journals, and then go further down to resource type. And you'll click off articles from here. Keep in mind that in a peer-reviewed journal, you might get other content that's featured. In addition to articles, you might also find book reviews or editorials. Those parts are not peer-reviewed, just the articles. So make sure when you're doing a search to always use these two filters or the article search at the top. Now that's the easiest way to find peer-reviewed journals. Hopefully that helps.